We're joined now by Kim Wetzel from our Smart Home Editor.
Hi.
Hello, Kim. Thank you so much for hopping in here. This is the device that everybody's been talking about for quite a while. Out of curiosity, out of, I couldn't say good or bad curiosity, perhaps. Maybe,
yes, absolutely.
When it comes to this. So why don't we walk through what this actually is that's sitting here in front of us?
This is the Facebook Portal Plus. What does that mean?
Yeah, exactly. So Facebook announced that they're going to have their own device.
Yeah.
And which is an interesting move. Mm-hmm. And it was supposed to be, from the looks of it, it looked like it was going to be a smart home hub or something along those lines. Mm-hmm. And there's two different versions of the Portal and the Portal Plus. And this is the Plus version, which is much larger than I thought it was going to be.
It's the massive version. I mean, it's bigger than your laptop.
Yeah,
essentially.
it's
huge. I mean, yeah, this is a 15.6-inch screen. It goes this way or this way. If you do the side profile, you'll see that it's got this bulky speaker right here.
And it is really heavy, so it does have a speaker on it. I mean, why don't we walk from the beginning? What is the Facebook Portal supposed to be?
What is it supposed to do? Yeah. It's kind of, I guess it's sort of like a smart display, like a Amazon Alexa device, like the Echo Show device.
Mm-hmm. With the actual screen.
With the actual screen and stuff, except for it does less. So it's like, oh, okay. But essentially, if you are a Facebook lover, you can use this device to make phone calls to your friends, have contact with them. It's kind of like a video calling device. That's its primary function. I have the option here. Here's some of my friends. Here's some of my favorites. And if I were to tap on one of these, these favorites, I could give them a call and have a video chat with them. They have to have Facebook Messenger on their phone.
So this is basically a different version of Facebook Messenger that we're looking at on here, like an adapted version.
Kind of, except it doesn't have the Facebook app on it.
So that's one of the things I was wondering.
So weird.
Like if this is supposed to be like an Echo Show, or I mean, it's essentially a tablet. I mean, it's a giant tablet.
Right.
But you were saying it doesn't do much. So it doesn't have. Can you add apps onto it? Can you watch videos on it?
As far as I know, I cannot add apps. That's another thing.
So it only comes with a certain number.
It comes with, you can see iHeartRadio, Newsy, Pandora, Spotify. I think it does have YouTube, so you can watch YouTube on it. The Food Network. I imagine Facebook will be adding more apps, but I have not figured out how to, there's no Play Store or there's no,
So they tried to go with their own essentially ecosystem on this.
Yeah.
Without.
And they added kind of a few apps, except for their own.
Yeah. Which seems
know.
kind of pointless if you're going to get something like this. I mean, one of the advantages, is customizing it.
Yeah,
what you
absolutely.
want. But they're saying these are the only ones that you can use. And one of the things that I know I've asked you this before, the actual Facebook app isn't available for this.
As far as I know.
There's no Facebook app on the Facebook Portal.
Yeah, so if you wanted to scroll through your Facebook feed, there's no way to do it on this device. So it's kind of neat, and I did, so they sent my mom one. They asked me, who else should we send this to? And my mom is on Facebook all the time. Hi, Mom, if you're watching. And so they sent her one, and we can chat, and she likes it. She's on, like I said, she's on Facebook several hours a day, but if you're not on Facebook several hours a day, and you don't need to call everybody all day, I'm not sure.
What you would be using it for?
Yeah, there's a couple of interesting features. So this is a camera up here, 140-degree field of view camera. And so it does follow you around the room a little bit.
Yeah, because it can track movement.
Tracks movement and focuses on you. So if you walk on one side of the device, there's the camera right there. You can, it'll kind of follow you around the room. Creepy?
Yeah,
Ooh,
that's
the
part I was. It looked creepy to me.
Yeah.
In part of it, and maybe it's just because Facebook's had a few security issues
right.
that
recently.
Yeah, that perhaps lends itself to people being a little bit wary.
Absolutely.
Of that. So it also has a speaker here on the base.
It does have a speaker.
How does it sound?
So I put it next to the new Echo Show. The Echo Show sounds better, but this doesn't sound terrible. I mean, you could play you could play music at a dinner party or when you're cooking or whatever, and it's good enough.
Okay. Yeah. And it's Alexa enabled?
It is Alexa enabled. I mean, I didn't turn it off.
Oh, I just turned on. Whoops. And that's
it's
everybody
an-
at home is now. Yeah, thank you for saying that. So it's enabled for that. It's got the speaker, and you said that it does. As far as the video call feature, that's kind of the main thing, if I'm understanding correctly.
I think that's fair. It does have the. I thought I turned off Alexa, but she's still going off.
Sorry, that was my bad. I was
Anyway.
wondering.
I was going to talk about that. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, it is an Alexa speaker, but it doesn't give you the opportunity to, like, if you're interested in like smart home connectivity, it's limited. You can't view camera footage, for example, on this. So if I were to try to get my Ring or my Nest cameras, footage on here, you can't do that, but you can do that with the Echo Show.
It just seems so weird to limit that functionality on it.
It is weird. And then you have to, in order to use your voice control for the Facebook aspect of it, you have to say, "Hey, Portal." But if you're doing other stuff, like just need to, figure out who the 20th president of the United States is, you say, "Alexa." So there's two different, ways to voice control it.
So you can't, so you have to think about how you're going to interact with it as far as what the call words are.
Yeah.
Can we try making a phone call with it?
Absolutely.
Or taking that?
Let's see. We got a guinea pig on hold for us.
Okay.
Oh, let me get my
Let's get your code one more time, everybody.
Yeah,
if you want to.
pay close attention to that. Okay, so let's find.
Again, this already seems like it's kind of, just for me personally, this already seems like it's a pain to use. Okay, so we're calling Dan. Dan works here at Digital Trends, one of our videographers. And let's see. Oh, is Dan there?
Hi, Dan. How's it going? Okay, wait, you can only see the cameras, right? I don't know how we should do this. Hi.
Oh yeah, Dan can only. Well, no, he could probably see our monitors there.
Oh, probably.
All right, so Dan, are you on a phone right now, or are you on a? What's that?
I am on a phone.
Okay, so this just rang through your Messenger app.
Yep.
Okay.
How do we? Sorry, I don't know where to put. Sorry, guys, I don't know where to put the camera. How do I look? Do I look fantastic?
Yep.
You're such a
Smart man.
conversationalist. So I don't know if the camera is able to like close up, but there is kind of something fun I can do. I can click on effects and I can give myself a werewolf face.
Okay. Wow, with the sounds as well.
I can also. This is one of my favorites here. I can make myself into a disco party. You guys can't see any of this.
They could. Yeah, there we go. Now they can
Okay.
see your disco party.
All right, and then look.
What are you there?
I don't know. Blues brother, blues sister, maybe.
Yeah, I heard somebody just say Walter White, maybe. Yeah.
Maybe, yeah.
That's Heisenberg.
I like Walter White.
So Dan, what plans do you have for this weekend?
This weekend's going to be pretty sports packed. I'm going to watch a hockey game tomorrow and some football, and then I'm going to take my two dogs to the dog park.
Sounds pretty awesome.
So this
Cool.
is a sample conversation between Kim and Dan.
Yes.
It's happening every.
Okay, well, well, Dan, we appreciate you being our guinea pig and letting us talk to you.
Yeah, of course.
All right, have
Dan,
a good
thanks.
weekend.
You too.
Bye.
All right. I mean, I can see how that would be. That'd be kind of nice. I can see some of that.
Think
especially
about-
if it's somebody from a long distance away.
Think about your I don't know.
Yeah.
Do you have like older relatives who are on Facebook all the time? Like I know my mom is.
No, I don't accept those friend requests.
Oh well,
Yeah.
smart thinking.
Yep, I hide myself from them.
But if you did, I mean, if you're like I know, like I said, my mom's on it all the time, and so this gives her an easy way to talk to people
Yeah.
and have a little fun with it too.
I can see that as being, I like the idea of it. Well, what's the price on this?
Brace yourselves. This is $349.
See, that's where I'm instantly out.
Yeah.
$349?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't I just get like a tablet and stick it on something?
That's what people are saying. People will walk by my desk. They're like, "What? I could do. I have an iPad. I could do the same."
Yeah,
thing.
exactly.
Yeah, in Skype or whatever you're.
Yeah.
They do have a smaller version that's 10 with a 10-inch screen that looks more like the Echo Show, and it is $199.
Okay.
And I do believe they are going on sale for Black Friday. They're doing a bundle, so if you like say, oh, I want this device and I want my mother to have one too, or my grandparents to have one too, you can get a discount. I'm not sure what the I'd have to go look it up, but if you are interested in this device, it is on sale for Black Friday for the holidays. Yeah.
Well, and we do have a lot of guides up for Black Friday for all of that as well.
Yes.
All right, that is the Facebook portal. This is the Portal Plus.
Yes.
Kim, thank you for dropping this off. We'll have a full review at digitaltrends.com.
Yes.
I'm sure once you
Monday we'll have
get
it
chance.
up.